Hi everyone. If you want to use one WhatsApp account on multiple phones at the same time, here is how to link your second phone to your primary one. So here the one on the left is my primary phone, while the one on the right is my second one, which does not have an active SIM card, only a Wi-Fi connection. Alright, first download and install WhatsApp on your second phone. Once done, open it, and then tap Agree and Continue. Now instead of entering a phone number, tap the three dots at the top right corner, and then tap Link as Companion Device. A QR code will be shown on your second phone. Now go to your primary phone, open WhatsApp, and then tap the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap Link Devices, and then tap the Link a Device button to open your QR code scanner. Now scan the QR code on your second phone, and then WhatsApp will handle the rest. Alright, so that's how easy it is. I hope you find this quick tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.